guys doing? So this is the continuation of my other vlog where we traveled. Yeah, so this is an ongoing project in the village. So we came back to see to this project. You can see the workers, they are trying to put things together. This was when we came back from the market because they actually called hubby that they are around, so we rushed back to the village. So yeah, they are about to start up, so just sit back. If you're wondering what they are doing, sit back and watch this video. Please don't fail to watch to the end. Also like and share. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you have not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button and join this amazing family. You will love it here. So continue watching. So guys, hubby took over. He's the one capturing the whole stuff because I was busy that day. So this is my mother-in-law. She's washing the plates, and that is Jose and Chinwendo that are helping her out. Yeah, so we are trying to prepare something for the workers to eat. Actually, they have taken tea this morning and I'm about cooking. You can see my rice on the fire. So that is Desire there, and that is Zina trying to help me with the fire. And at the back there is cute baby Pippi. She's hiding behind Desire's back. Yeah, so this is my co-wife in the village. She's helping me with the veggies because we are also going to cook soup. Yeah, so continue watching. Everybody is working. So here I am. I'm trying to put some stuff inside the rice, and here I was telling my hubby to use my phone to help me with the video, but he used his, so that is why we have portrait mode. So this is our back here. This is the back view. We are still working on this building. Yeah, so this is our back view. So you can see work is ongoing. This is my kitchen. Yeah, my kitchen is still under construction. Yeah, so sit back and enjoy this video. So hubby was trying to show his face here, and I told him to remove his face, that he should record for me, and he started laughing. So that is it. Continue watching. The workers are also getting ready for the job of the day, and that is my father-in-law seated over there with his brother and a family friend. So they are just having a chit chat here. And yeah, this was the last video I did with my father-in-law in the village. Yeah, that is life. So guys, this is the process of drilling a borehole. There must be water. We have 2 tanks here, and there is the pumping machine, and there is the driller they are using to put in the pipe. So what they do is that they fix the pipe inside that driller and put it inside the ground, and with their own force they are going to be pulling it down. Then with the help of that water, they will be flushing out water. They will be flushing out water and sand that is underground, because under this surface, under the ground is water. So you know that water covers everywhere, but we are just on the ground, on a dry ground. But under this ground that we are standing on is water. So with the help of the water and the driller, they will be flushing. So this is what they are doing here. It's souping. The soup is souping. Yes. So work is still in progress. So this is what they are doing. They are bringing out sand at the end of each drill, and as they go, the deeper they go, the whiter the sand becomes. So that is it. The deeper they go, the whiter the sand become. So this is my husband, man. He's trying to clear here. I don't even know what he's doing. He's trying to clear here. You can see the pipes. All these pipes that you are seeing on top of this car was swallowed by this ground, because our village, they said, is on top of the mountain, something of that nature. So this ground swallowed all the pipes, and yeah, and even more. So because they say I should not get their faces, I'm trying not to get their faces. So these are the sand that we have here so far. You can see it. Yeah. So this is my plant. But I'm going to remove it from here because they said that it's not good for palm to be near building. I don't know. I don't really know, but I'm going to remove it. So yeah, they're still working. This is real hard work. When you hear hard work, this is real hard work. And it's becoming whiter too. Yeah, the sand is increasing and it's becoming whiter. So this is my husband, Kingsman, and that is my father-in-law with him there. Yeah, this is my father-in-law. He's taking out the drink. He didn't want to drink, so he's giving him to drink. So this was the last day I saw my father-in-law. Yeah, I'm still going to share the story, but for the meantime, enjoy this video. So this is me trying to check the sand. They said that the one that has good water is going to be like glass, that is glass sand, and all these sands that you're seeing, all the sand, that you're seeing here represents each pipe. So I think I will have about 18 or thereabouts, 15 or thereabouts there. So far they have used 18 of those pipes I showed you guys earlier. For 798 of village. So we are about to go. We are about to go now. Celeste. Why pushing her? Joseph. You say hi. You say hi. Don't yet. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, hello, 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 hello. Hi. Mama. Mimi ni busika kwangu.